Welcome back, students. Today I am going to discuss with you the chapter Footprints Without Feet, which is taken from the same book entitled as Footprints Without Feet. And this chapter is written by H.G. Wells. And I will be discussing with you the outline or the abstract of this chapter. I will let you know who is the central character and what are the important aspects and elements covers in this chapter. So let's get started. So this story is set about an eccentric scientist whose name was Griffin, and he proved to be a very inquisitive and brilliant one. Inquisitive hota hai the person who is very curious about learning new things and all that. So this scientist, due to his over ambitious way, he gained success in getting the power of being invisible, and he proved to be invisible when he was naked or without clothes. So, in spite of the fact that Griffin seemed to be brilliant, inquisitive, ambitious, but he proved to be lawless, or as he used to indulge in illegal activities. Due to his erratic behavior, he was disliked by the landlord, so he tried to eject him, and as a sort of revenge, he set fire to his house. सो दिस इंसिडेंट वॉज क्वाइट अनएक्सेप्टेबल. आप इमेजिन कर सकते हैं कि नोबडी इज़ गोइंग टू एक्सेप्ट दिस थिंग कि उनके घर को आग लगा दी जाए, and illegal one. As a result, and in order to get escape, he started wandering around the streets of London naked and penniless. He was not at all having clothes, he was not at all having money, especially on chill winter day. So as soon as he stepped in some mud, suddenly two boys, while playing, they notices the fresh muddy impressions of bare feet. Out of curiosity, in great excitement, these two boys, they followed the imprints which appeared from nowhere, progressing down the street, and suddenly जो muddy footprints थे, impressions थे उनके, it grew fainter. So they were quite surprised to know about the same. So let's discuss about the important aspects कि जब यहाँ पर ग्रिफिन की आइडेंटिटी रिवील होती है तो विच पर्टिकुलर प्लेसेस ही visited and what kind of experiences he was having. Firstly, in order to escape himself, he moves inside a big London store. He fits himself with warm clothes, shoes and hat. He becomes visible and went off to sleep. So this was a very relaxing day or relaxing night for him, specifically on this winter day. In the morning, when Griffin woke up, so he was observed by the assistant or the colleagues of the company. So he panicked and he started running. So in order to escape, he started removing his newly found clothes, and he became invisible. Okay, so this was the incident with the incident of a big London store. Next one, proceeding further, in great hurry, he moves towards a Drury Lane, and which is considered as the center of theatre world. He thought that he is going to get a suitable disguise. डिस्गाइज का मीनिंग होता है कोई भी आउटफिट मिल जाए जिससे कि वो अपनी रियल आइडेंटिटी को हाइड तो नहीं कर पाएगा, बट दिस वॉज द बेस्ट वे टू हाइड हिमसेल्फ एक न्यू पर्सनैलिटी की फॉर्म में, एंड सेकेंड वे इस चिल विंटर डे में अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट कर सके. देन नेक्स्ट वन, ही एंटर्स द शॉप विच sold costumes, and they were wearing bandages and all that. So what did he do? He attacks the shopkeeper from behind and robs all the money. और उनके पास जो भी थे, big bushy side whiskers, false nose, dark glasses and all that. So he has taken all those. Then moving towards, he took a train to Iping village, and there he booked 2 rooms at a local inn. So he tells Mrs. Hall, the landlord, who is very pleasing personality and who tries to be friendly with him, that his face had been affected in an accident and he had come here to Iping for solitude or some sort of peace. So this was quite surprising or quite suspicious. So this guest, she was considering of this thing that the stolen money did not last long, so Griffin stole the housekeeping money from the clergyman. So where he was residing, वहाँ पर वो clergyman के study room से भी he stole the money. Afterwards, Mrs. Hall and her husband, they became suspicious and they thought to investigate the room. Suddenly, an invisible attack could be felt or experienced by Mrs. Hall and her husband. The door was shut, it was slammed and locked it. Okay, so this was all done by Griffin. So the neighbors, when they observed this incident, it was really a great shock for them. They became frightened, and in between, Mrs. Hall confronted Griffin because they came to know about his identity. She became furious as he threw off his bandages, whiskers, spectacles, and even his nose to terrorize her or to make her frightened. So everybody was frightened. In between, Jaffer, the constable or the cops, they were called. Griffin, in between, due to his invisible power, he knocked Jaffer unconscious and hit those helping Jaffer to catch him. But the main thing is that he wrenched himself free and escaped. वो अपने आप को बचा लेता है. And you can consider this thing. What is the message conveyed here? That being a scientist, being the ambitious scientist, he should have an obligation towards make this world a beautiful place to live, और अपनी न्यू इन्वेंशन से वर्ड को टेक्नोलॉजिकल वर्ड करे, उसको ब्लेसिंग्स के फॉर्म में रिवील करे. बट वॉट ही हैज़ डन, his experiments didn't prove to be worth and they proved to be evil because it did not have anything to do with the betterment of the society. उसने ह्यूमन सोसाइटी के फेवर में या वेलफेयर के लिए कुछ नहीं किया, but he has done everything for illegal purposes. Thank you so much.